Welcome to Raisins, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose Two Factorial CRD analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Factor A column, then select the Factor B column, and next comes the Variables column. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis, and just like that, your results are ready. No calculations, no stress, just tailor-made outputs you can copy and paste straight into your report. Download them in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. It's that easy. In the Plots and Graphs tab, you will get needed visuals and create presentation-ready box plots, violin plots,
mean plots,
connected line plots, and bar graphs. All are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. For quick, smart summaries, visit the AI Interpretation tab, where Raisin's Assistant breaks down your analysis with clear insights. And if you've got 3 or more observations, unlock multivariate tools, ANOVA or PCA, in the Multivariate tab, with downloadable results at your fingertips. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with Raisins, and make your data speak.